Welcome to Cursive Lesson 49, where we're going to work on the high frequency words of if and how. Okay, please put your heading on first thing. Always do that first, your name, number, and date. And then our directions say trace each word and use the dots provided to practice writing each word. Okay, so the word if, we are going to start on our starting dot. We slant up to the middle. Retrace back down, touch the bottom, slant all the way to the top. We're going to loop back, go all the way below the line. Now this time we're going to go toward the front like a little belly. And then we're going to touch that line and make a tail. Okay, starting dot. Oh, and then I forgot. You got to go back and dot your I. Starting dot, we slant up, retrace back down, slant all the way to the top, loop back, go below the line. We're going to loop forward, touch, then we're going to make our tail, dot our I. Starting dot, slant up to the middle, retrace back down, slant all the way to the top, loop back, down below the line, loop forward, touch, then make your tail, dot your I. Okay, next one. Starting dot, we're going to slant up, retrace back down, slant all the way up, loop back, touch the bottom, loop forward, touch, then make your tail, dot your I. Starting dot, we're going to slant up to the middle, retrace back down, touch the bottom, slant all the way up to the top, loop back, down below, loop forward, make your tail, dot your I. Starting dot, slant up, retrace back down, slant all the way up, loop back, go below the line, loop forward, touch, make your tail, dot your I. Starting dot, slant toward the middle, retrace back down, slant up, loop back, go below, loop forward, touch, make your tail, dot your I. Starting dot, we're going to slant, retrace back down, slant up, loop back, loop forward, make your tail, dot your I. Okay, now the capital I for if. Starting dot, we're going to curve out, make a point, loop, touch the bottom, slant up, loop back, touch the bottom, loop all the way back up to the top, loop back, go below the line, loop forward, touch, make your tail. Starting dot, we're going to curve out, make a point, curve back down, touch the bottom, loop all the way up to the top, loop back, touch the bottom, slant all the way up to the top, loop back, go below the line, loop forward, touch, make your tail. Starting dot, curve out, make a point, curve down to the bottom, slant all the way to the top, loop back, touch the bottom, slant all the way up to the top, loop back, go below the line, loop forward, touch, make your tail. Starting dot, we're going to slant out, make a point, curve down, touch the bottom, slant all the way to the top, loop back, touch the bottom, loop all the way back up to the top, go below the line, loop forward, touch, make your tail. Starting dot, we're going to curve out, make a point, curve down, slant up, loop back, touch the bottom, slant up, loop back, go below the line, loop forward, touch, make your tail. Starting dot, we're going to curve out, make your point, curve down, slant all the way up, loop back, touch the bottom, loop up, curve back, go below the line, loop forward, touch, make your tail. Okay, now on to the word how. Starting dot, we slant up, loop back, touch, retrace back up to the middle, down to the bottom, curve up to the middle, Make sure you retrace, go down, complete your oval, make your little loop and your whoop. To the middle, we're going to go down to the bottom, back up to the middle, retrace back down, back up to the middle, and our little loop for our W. Starting dot, we're going to slant all the way up, loop back, touch the bottom, retrace back up to the middle, down to the bottom, up to the middle, retrace back down, complete your oval, make your little loop, up to the middle, back down to the bottom, up to the middle, retrace back down, up to the middle, and make your little loop. Okay, starting dot, we're going to slant all the way up to the top. We're going to loop back, touch the bottom, retrace back up to the middle, down to the bottom, up to the middle, retrace back down, complete your oval, make your little whoop, loop into the whoop, down to the bottom, up to the middle, retrace back down, up to the middle, and make your little whoop. Starting dot, I'm going to slant up to the top, loop back, touch the bottom, retrace back up to the middle, down to the bottom, up to the middle, retrace back down, complete our oval, make our little loop and our whoop, down to the bottom, retrace back up to the middle, up to the middle, retrace back down, up to the middle, and make our little whoop. Okay, now we're going to do with a capital H. So we do have to pick our pencil up one time before completing the word. So we have our first line, starting dot, we're going to curve down. Then you pick up your pencil, start the next one, we go down to the bottom, retrace back up, loop around, touch the first line, come around, curve up to the middle, retrace back down, complete your oval, make your little loop and your whoop, then back down to the bottom, up to the middle, retrace back down, up to the middle, and your little whoop. Okay, our first line. Then we pick up the pencil, go down, retrace back up, loop around, touch, down to the bottom, curve up to the middle, retrace, complete your oval, make your little loop and your whoop, down to the bottom, up to the middle, retrace back down, up, and make your little loop. Okay, starting dot, make our first line, then you pick up your pencil, make your second line, retrace, up, loop around, touch that first line, curve up to the middle, retrace down to the bottom, complete your oval, make your little loop, your whoop, down to the bottom, up to the middle, retrace down to the bottom, up to the middle, and you make your whoop. Okay, our first line, curve down, okay, then second line, curve down, retrace back up, make your loop, around, curve up, retrace, complete your oval, make your little loop and your whoop, go down to the bottom, up to the middle, retrace back down to the bottom, up to the middle, and our little whoop. So those are our high frequency words of if and how. So go ahead and continue practicing on the back. And thank you for joining me.